Okay, so I'm going to do each section one at a time, but one time slow and then one time faster. So. So keep it going. I'm going to try to do it faster, but not super fast. Try to play with me. See if you can play it with me. Okay, so I'll do the B section now really slow. 2 and 5, 1 and 4, 2 and 5, 1 and 4, same as before. And 4, thumb under, and then back to the A section. I'm not going to repeat that A section because we already done it. It's exactly the same. Now the B section faster. Try to play with me. 2 and 5, 1 and 4, 2 and 5, going. If you're having a hard time playing hands together with me when I play fast, just play one of the hands when you start practice, and then as the week goes on, try to put both hands together when you play fast. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay, stop it.